So I thought this would be interesting to look at. It's in the model lab on weather models. It's the 9 Euro ECMWF 9 kilometer. So high res. I think it's the high res. But this particular view here is the geopotential heights, model cycle difference, current minus 12 hours. So the current was on the bottom and the previous 12 hours is on the top. I think this shows you what changes have occurred recently. So this is the previous model, the 0Z run. You watch this run out and watch how, so here's the 6th. So that you have that system, you can see the energy dropping in here at 102. Then we progress through and it kind of gets, there's still a trough there, and the blue line is going to be the 540. So we'll run it through. So you still got some ridging showing in here, which is just odd in the face of a trough like that. Okay, so we'll run it through. It shows a ridge building across, and you got this trough off in the southwest, a piece of energy coming in and into the Northwest Territories up there. We run it through, really west. Well, not so much a progressive pattern. There's a little bit of amplification to it, but per the thicknesses here, per the positive, it looks like a worn pattern. So we move out through, this is day 8 from the 0Z, last night's 0Z. Run through, okay, here's the December 9th. Now this is looking good here. Looking good. Blockings. Let me adjust this. Pull it back a little bit. Blockings moving back up into Greenland. Ridge is building nice. This is where we need that. And we need, actually, I would like to see it pull back a little bit. But that's an incoming, I shouldn't say, that's an incoming trough. So that takes us out to day 9.5 of the 0Z 9 kilometer European. Okay. Going to go and run through the 12Z, the most recent run. So you look kind of similar, but one thing you'll notice is in here there's not much negative. In here we start getting it to build up, and we got these thickness lines kind of buckling a little bit to the north, and piece of energy in the flow right here. Let me get my stylus out here. Yeah, piece of energy in the flow right here. More negative here, and a hint of more of a trough. So run this out so you can just watch. See where we are. previous run, current run. Okay, we'll run out on the 12, run out to the 4th. All right, so here we go. Previous run, 0Z, current run. More negative in here. And this from the 0Z, if you look at the 12Z, it's pulled back. I'm going to run it through more. Here this comes in, watch. Previous run, you got a clear ridge building in here, but you got negative showing in there. Current run, watch it build out. Watch that piece come across. So here's Monday on the 12Z, Monday on the 0Z. See any difference? This is hour 126 on the 12Z, 12 hours ago on the 0Z. Big, big, big. Now watch the West Coast. Massive change. So here's the 8th. The 8th on the 12Z. The 8th on the 0Z. Massive change in guidance. Day 7 on the 12Z. This is 7 a.m. December 8th. Excuse me. This is 7 a.m. December 8th on the 0Z. Massive change. You run this out. Got a little bit of and around that 9th, well, yeah, I guess you say December 9th period on the 12Z. You got some warmth coming across. But here's the 0Z. There's a little more trough in there on the 0Z, but I'll take this. I will sacrifice a day or so for that, considering this is coming in behind. Because you look, that's way back. This here on the 0Z is here on the 12Z. Run this through. So it's roughly a day. And here is 7 a.m. on Friday the 10th. This is just massive. And this is the 12Z run here. And here's the 0Z. And just running out. And just look at that. That's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful.